In this video, we are going to be looking at how to use the new course copy tool in order to copy course components from either past courses or teacher master courses. Now, there was a process to this before, and there still is that same process where you can go click on the cogwheel or course admin and go into import, export, copy courses. And in that one, you can select different components from your courses if you only want certain components copied in. In this new process, it's simply just going to copy the entire course into your course. There's no option for separate components, but that often is the recommended way to do it anyway. Sometimes when you're copying individual components, some issues can arise. So we usually recommend just copy the entire course in and just delete what you don't want. And that's what this process is going to do. The other thing that this process cuts out is the necessity to self-register in teacher master courses. Before, if you wanted to copy a teacher master course or that ministry content in, you'd have to self-register in that course first. You don't have to do that anymore. You now automatically have access to all those teacher master courses using this tool only. So let me just show you how to use this tool. So we're going to go to the nav bar and click on this down arrow, and course copy is right here. So if we click on course copy, we're going to get a screen or a little window that pops up that looks like this. So we're going to select which type of course that we'd like to copy from, either a past course or a teacher master course. Now, notice it does give you an alert if you've used this tool in this course before, just letting you know that you've actually already copied some content in here. So maybe you don't want to copy more, and maybe you should go check to see what you've copied in already. Okay, so we've done it 2 times in this course. That's fine. We're going to do it 1 more. To demo this. So let's say, first of all, you wanted to look at one of your past courses. So we'll select past course, and you're going to get a little drop down here with all of the other courses that you've been enrolled in. So these are all the courses that Michael Scott has been enrolled in. Now, for some of you, this list might be a lot longer. So you have the ability to cut down the size of what you're seeing here, either by filtering it by semester. So let's say we filtered by this semester here. You're only going to see ones from that semester, from 2021. And let's say you wanted to filter it even farther by seeing, let's say, only courses that have MCR3U in them. Oops. There we go. And you're going to get MCR3U. So if we wanted to copy this past course, we would then click on copy, and that process would start. I'm not going to do that now because I'm going to go back and show you the teacher master one, and we'll actually do it with one of those. But that's how you would copy in one of those courses. So I'm just going to click cancel, and it will take us back to the beginning. And now I'm going to show you the teacher master courses. So if I hit select, it'll let you choose from elementary and secondary. I'm going to choose secondary. And you're now going to get a list of all of those teacher master courses here. There's lots of them. So you can pick whichever one you'd like in order to copy into your course. Now, again, because this list is so large, we can filter that. So let's say we only wanted SNC courses. We're going to click filter, and here we go. SNC are the only courses now that are being displayed. So if we click on SNC2D, for example, now let's say we didn't want to copy it, but right now we just wanted to preview it. We could just preview that course now by clicking the preview button. And what that's going to do is open up that course for us then to preview. So you can take a look at that course. But now, let's say we actually wanted to copy that into our course. We would just click on copy here. And it's going to say this will copy all of the components of SNC2D into your the master course into this course. Would you like to continue? Yes. Now, if you've already used this, it's going to give you a warning saying you've already ran this process a couple of times. Just saying, are you sure that you want to make sure? Are you sure that you want to copy more content in? Again, that's just as a reminder to you that if you've already copied stuff in, maybe you don't. But we're going to click OK, and then it'll say course copy process successful. You can now close this window. So all that means now is in this original course, that content is now being copied in. And now one thing you'll notice is that if you tried to run this again, it's not going to let you run it as long as that previous process is still happening. So the process usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. So during that 5 to 10 minutes, it's not going to allow you to start another process. So if you're getting this window, just be assured that the process has started and that it will take about 5 to 10 minutes to complete.